So, yeah, I've just gotten stuck in rain apparently, so I have street tires on this bike, and so I guess we're gonna see how it does in the rain. Let's turn some lemons into lemonade, if you will, okay? So as I've been taking corners, it just started raining like 5 minutes ago, and I'm already getting soaked. A little nervous about the bike itself, but I'm hoping I can get home in the next 5 minutes. But it seems to be handling pretty well. It's not sliding around. Of course, I'm trying to stay as close to 30 or below as possible. I know there's a rush to get home on the bike, but I'd rather get home on the bike than off the bike, if you know what I mean. So, tell you one thing, it drives me a little crazy because I'm getting all this liquid on my helmet, so it's I can still see, but it's almost like they should make windshield wipers for the helmets. Don't steal that patent. I'm kidding. I'm sure it's probably patented. Just impractical. Whew. Yeah, it's chilly. Okay, let me go. Please let me go. Nope, can't let me go. Alright. I'm stopping. Sweet. Thank you. Of course, every time there's a charger behind me, I always assume, is it the police? And of course, I know that this bike looks special, so you can get off the main road anyways. Good they didn't follow me, so I guess I'm pretty safe. That was not the police. Whoop, whoop. But now I have to contend with gravel and street tires. If you're still watching this, let me know what type of tire is better. Because I've been thinking either Shinkos possibly, or even the regular dirt tires. Just something, maybe with a little more grip. I mean, I haven't had any issues with the street tires. I just don't know if I'm missing out. And that's kind of what I'm asking is, do you recommend anything better? Do the street tires work well? I just kind of curious after all this time. This is going to be cutting it tight. I have to pick up my son at 2:50, and it is 2:38. But technically, I give him 5 minutes, send him a cash app. They can go to the convenience store right by the school. He'll never know the difference. Yeah, you know what? It is handling really well in the rain. I'm not really feeling any traction issues as they're taking any of these corners. But of course, I would not want to ride at full speed. I've always wondered if it was dangerous for motorcyclists to ride bikes in the rain. I'm gonna guess it's kind of, but not like terribly dangerous. I mean, sure, it's not welcomed. And the rain just keeps coming, it won't stop coming. Didn't make that light. I guess on the upside is I saved about $10 worth of gas today, so even though I got a little wet, still coming out ahead. Pedal, 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 pedal. Wow. Roads are getting wet, so I'm gonna stick to like 30. That still's kind of with traffic, but No more quick takeoffs, that's for sure. There's any traction. Last thing I want to do is lay this thing down. So I'm just going to turn my items on. See if we can see a little better. So anyway, this is just a quick video on flying around in the rain. Of course, we have this beautiful Pacific Northwest Seattle type weather. For some reason, it's June 15th, and it's still raining. And I think it's because weather just has something against us. So, anyways, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and I'll, well, that was loud. Let me know if there's anything else you want to see, and put in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you didn't hear me the first time, because the wig's off. But I'm gonna peace out from here, and I just need to get home and pick up my son, so peace out.